Here I am at the new offices of CH Insurance. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and having a nice holiday week. Here's the front entrance of the offices. We're looking to get in here probably around March. Things are looking great. Here's some three offices. Here's the conference room. We just formatted for TV and media and all of that. And here's our executive offices down along the wall. And then an open look for sales and service. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. We can't wait. There's Michelle's office, and we come back around. This is the employee entrance down here. Back to the other conference room. And then got a great big break room, kitchen. It's going to be wonderful. High top tables, TV. Should be gorgeous. So we'll keep you posted, but this was the first live update of the CH offices. Till next time, on behalf of CH Insurance, we want to wish everybody a happy new year, and we look forward to being in your corner in 2017.